Hello everyone. Currently wrapping my door handles and encountered the issue of trying to remove the driver's side one, and this thing don't come out. So thanks to a person in the Veloster and Owners Club Facebook group, he suggested to completely legit remove the bolt out. Give me 1 second here. Completely remove the bolt out, and voila, you gotta pull the handle so the thing comes out though, and that's it. The usual pull back and we're out. You just gotta wiggle the wire a little bit so it comes off. That's how you do it for the Veloster 2019 second gen plus minus a 2020 Veloster, but it's the same thing.